Next topic is parts of email message. So different parts of email message are from, to, CC, BCC and subject. First is from. So it refers to a person who is sending the email message. It means the address of a person who is sending the email message is written in this section. So from is used to write the address of a sender. Next is to. So the email address of a person who shall be receiving the email message should be written in this section. It means the address of a receiver who will receive the email message is written in this section. Next is CC. The full form of CC is carbon copy. Carbon copy is exact or duplicate copy of the message. So if you want to send exact copy of the message to someone, then address of that person should be written in this section. Next is BCC. The full form of BCC is blind carbon copy. So if you want to send same message to group of persons without showing them that others have also received the same message, then you can take the help of BCC. Next is subject. So brief or short description of your message or short description of your topic of message is written in this section. For example, if you are sending a resume by email, then you can write resume in a subject section. Next topic is sending and receiving email message. So we can send a message to exchange ideas and views. We can send a reply to a message and we can forward a same message that we have received from someone else. But while sending a message, keep in mind that your message should convey exact meaning that you want to convey. It means your message should be concise. Concise means brief and meaningful. Next topic is receiving an email message. So we can receive our email messages even when our computer is not on. So email service provider stores all the incoming messages in a mailbox. So when we are checking for new message, we are checking a mailbox on a service provider's computer. Next topic is common email terms. First is smileys. So we can use some special characters which are called smileys or emoticons to express or show feelings and emotions in a message. So if you turn them sideways, they resemble, it means they are similar to human faces. So these are the smileys. These smileys are used to express emotions or feeling in a message.